Hello everyone, this is Mods from Mods Photography. Thanks for watching. I thought today was a good day just to do a quick unboxing and first impressions of this little fella here. This is the Joby Gorillapod 3K. This is the kit version, so it comes with a little tripod head as well. I actually didn't order the kit, but it arrived as a kit, so score, bonus. This is one of their new 2017-2018 models. They've got a 1K and a 5K as well. The number before the K obviously represents the max weight it can take. So this is 3K or 6.6 pounds. So obviously, first of all, tells you a little bit about what materials they're used. Standard information about the product. But let's get in. Let's see what's in store for us. Here she is. Got a good weight to it. Obviously not as big as the 5K. Yeah, looks nice. Got a bit of a different colour as well. And as always with these, when you buy them, they're really stiff. And over time, obviously that wears. So I rarely get more than 1.5 years out of these tripods. But for the purpose I'm after, this is a great product. It's fairly lightweight, although it is obviously does have a bit more weight to it, but not as much as the 5K. My use for this will mostly be time lapse, a bit of vlogging. But not in the standard vlogger style, which I'm sure you've all seen. You kind of bend all three legs, mount your camera on it, put a mic on top, and you actually have an extension or a glorified selfie stick if you like. But yeah, really stiff actually. It's a bit loosening up. So as I said in the beginning, this tripod head was included. As I said, this is included in the kit. It even comes with a little base plate on top as well, with a nice level, or spirit level thingy. Plus obviously the screw to screw into your camera. I am not a big fan of these Joby tripod heads, simply because I found them to be too flimsy. The main body plus the ball head itself here is great quality, similar to what I use on these ones. These are my own branded ones, but are manufactured by a company in China called Neva. It's the base plate that's my main problem here. It's all plastic on plastic, and I always use L brackets on all of my cameras. So yeah, I'll have to discard this or definitely put it aside. Let's just turn it off here, see what mount it comes with. Oh, that's great. Yeah, so you can see the bottom here, I hope you can see it. Put a bit of light on there. So just put this aside. So yeah, the screw here is removable, so depending on what tripod head you want to put on, you can either put the 1/4 inch or 3/8. I'm going to keep this on because that's what fits into my tripod head. There we go, let's see how that looks. Okay, let's have a bit of coffee because that's what we do. Good coffee. Yeah, so far so good. As you can see, this one got a little spirit level as well, and it's got what the other one, this one doesn't. It has the Arca Swiss type base plate on. As I said, I usually don't use these base plates. Put that aside as well. But if you're using an L plate or an L bracket like this, the grooves fit straight into it. If you're losing it, there we go. And in particular, if you do a lot of landscapes, time lapse, or even panoramic shots, this is a great investment. I will do a separate review / comparison between these. This is, as I said, was from Really Right Stuff, RRS, an American company. Fantastic product, really expensive. but there are also other brands in the market. Some of them are really, really cheap. Some of them are very close in price to these ones. There will be a separate video coming up next week. Conclusion, obviously not having tried it in real life yet, but have used Gorillapods for the last 2 years, both the Zoom and the SLR version. Yeah, I always find it to be quite good at what they are. Definitely good value for money. I do though, as I said in the introduction as well, one thing that does make me a bit grumpy when it comes to Gorillapods is the durability of these ABS links. So it's basically ball joints, and over time some of them do tend to loosen up a bit, and I've never managed to keep a Gorillapod alive for more than 1.5 years. But I guess that's what you get when you buy a price like this. I haven't fully tested the 5K yet. I do know it is sturdier, it's got different joints on it, but it's also more than twice the price of this in the UK, that is. I bought this on Amazon. I believe I paid around £30 for it. Initially I actually bought it without the head, as I said, but the head was included when I received it, so that was an added bonus. If you buy it as a kit, it's around £50 for the kit. I put the links in the description below. They all link to obviously my affiliate Amazon account, so obviously if you use that I'll be forever grateful. I do get a percentage of that. I'm not sure how much though, if you purchase using those links. If you like what you see and if you want to hear more, not just about tripods, but also about photography, traveling, mountaineering and filmmaking in general, press the subscribe button and comment below, ask any questions you may have, and I will see you again soon. Roger out.